This is a data sufficiency question that you would find typically on the GMAT. It says a certain group of car dealerships agreed to donate X dollars to the Red Cross chapter for each car sold during a 30-day period. What was the total amount that was expected to be donated? So what we're looking for is the total amount expected to be donated. Remember that when you're dealing with data sufficiency, you have to consider each statement separately, first of all. So let's look at statement 1. Statement 1 says a total of 500 cars were expected to be sold. Okay? All this is telling us from statement 1. Statement 1 is simply telling us, in this case, for statement 1, what we know is that 500 cars were expected to be donated. So technically that's 500x. That's all we know about statement 1. But we don't know what the total amount was, or we don't know what the value of x is. So in this case, statement 1 is insufficient. Now let's go to statement 2. Statement 2 says 60 more cars were sold than expected, so that the total amount actually donated was 28,000. So what this is telling me is you have 60 cars times x for the number of dollars per car, plus whatever was expected, and that's equal to $28,000. Okay? In this case, you're having the same issue. We don't know what the value of x is, and we don't know what that expected number is. So statement 2 also is insufficient by itself. Now we go ahead and consider statement 1 and statement 2 together. Okay? It says a total of 500 cars were expected. So this number right here was 500x. So if that's the case, we can write this as 60x plus 500x is equal to 28,000. Keep in mind that on data sufficiency, you don't have to actually solve the equation. You just have to know that you have enough information. So at this point, what you really have is 560x equals 28,000. One equation, one variable, you can solve for the value of x. So both statements combined are sufficient. So the answer in this case is C. Both statements together are sufficient, but neither statement alone is sufficient. Thank you.